morning, y'all. It is Friday today and I'm going to the office. So for the first time, I'm going to be bringing you all along with me. I did sleep in quite a bit today, so I need to go get ready super fast and dash out the door. So today I decided to take the bus to shorten my commute to work. Sometimes I take the bus, sometimes I walk. Today's a bus day. The first thing I do when I go into work is check my Slack. Then my feet get cold, so I decide to grab some snacks. And as you can see, there's already not much left in the fridge. I grab a Spindrift, check out the snacks section. Not much I want, so I head back to my desk. Then I check some more messages, push some pixels, snack on a beef jerky I found somewhere, push some more pixels, then reapply SPF because I have a window above me that has sunlight that you can't really see in this video. Then I decide to read a book a little bit to give my eyes a break from the computer screen. And I get hungry, so I head downstairs for lunch. And looking through all my options, I decide on this quinoa bowl. And that's what I have for lunch. After lunch, I head back upstairs, go to a silent booth to run a meeting, and push some more pixels. Then by the time you know it, it's almost the end of the day. I pack up and head back home, take the bus. And I spend some time working in my apartment lobby, reapply SPF, and there's some cute dogs outside. So I'm still working and it's almost dark now. It's 5:42-ish p.m. And I'm about to head upstairs to grab dinner and then probably continue to do my own side hustle work in my room. So I just changed into my outfit for my class. Always putting on a cardigan because you never know when it's gonna get cold in San Francisco. And putting on some socks and let's go. All those people that didn't wear white shoes because I was afraid of getting them dirty, especially in dusty AF city, San Francisco. But this year I told myself, you know what? I'm gonna become the kind of person that can wear white shoes.
Courageous. So courageous.
Walking very quickly to the elevator because I might be running late if I don't catch the bus. Guys, I'm super late and I am running to the gym, literally. Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. Okay. I'm in the elevator, and I'm about to go into my athletic yoga class. Let's hope I'm not late. About how I managed to keep this shirt light even though I had 2 workouts and like a super duper juicy burger. That's good. Somehow I'm keeping my shoes clean as well, but I'm really making an effort to pick up when I'm walking because also it's kind of grimy sometimes.
With plenty of spring in the hind legs.
Also, I'm seriously looking like Anakin Skywalker right now. Like, look at this. Before the killing the kids part, that was, yeah, that's not the vibe, but Anakin Skywalker. Okay, so I'm finally home. I'm gonna take a shower, decompress. I just finished my shower and I'm applying my skincare routine. Fun fact, I actually interviewed for Curology in the SF office. Unfortunately, I did get rejected even though they said I probably would meld well with the team. So now every time I put on Curology, I think about that rejection. and I'm all done. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 8 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go play a volleyball tournament in Sunnyvale, and this is the Halloween volleyball tournament of the year, so it's called Volley Boo. And I'm so excited because I'm so ready to just spend a whole day outside instead of inside on the computer and get some fresh air. I'm heading to warm up for the tournament. Let's go. So I just got back home. We were at the tournament from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So playing volleyball all day, non-stop. I had a really awesome team. They were amazing in terms of team chemistry and personalities. Had a lot of fun, and the competition was also very good. I just think it was an amazing day to spend a Saturday outside under the sun. And now I'm going to go take a shower and eat some dinner before stretching and going to bed. For dinner tonight, I made some pasta. I usually don't cook, but today I was really craving some tomato. And I'm helping myself to a second serving. Just took a shower. I'm gonna do some light work before finishing up my routine with a mask. Put some on my hands, because you know, your hands need some love too, of course.
I view my hands as elite athletes.
And yeah, I'm gonna let this simmer a little bit. So it's been a long day, and I'm gonna curl up and read some of this book before heading to bed. Okay, y'all, it's been a long day. I am ready to hit the bed. It's been great hanging out with you all and letting y'all see some of my world, playing volleyball, going to work. I hope you all enjoyed this and hit that subscribe button to see more of me, a product designer living in San Francisco. I'll see you all next time, and thank you all for watching. Bye.